God, you're father now.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be installing our Ktuned throttle body with the Acura TPS sensor. Also with the TPS sensor, I went ahead and bought the calibration harness for when we do get the car running. We can go ahead and calibrate that, making sure that our TPS is set as it should be. Also with that, we got a gasket, thermal gasket that we're going to be running, and the throttle cable as well. We'll be also installing the plugs for the injectors, because unfortunately the tuck harness that we are running does not plug with the injectors, so I had to get these adapters. But instead of me having to cut and solder and everything and relume, I figured I'd just depin them and then repin it back into the harness, and then everything's just plug and play from there. Also, huge shout out to you guys, man. Within the last 28 days, we gained 37 plus subscribers, and I cannot thank you guys enough. You guys are just motivating me more to push out more content, more videos. I'm trying to post at least weekly. You guys should be hopefully seeing uploads on Monday. That way I can utilize my weekends to make content. So the plan is to go and upload on Mondays. I'm a little late. Yes, I know. I had a busy weekend. But we're going to try and fix that and get those things going. Also, baseball season is coming up, so Sunday will probably be my only day, outside of work and practice and everything, because I do coach sports. I coach Little League, baseball, and I do football. But right now we're going into baseball season, and unfortunately games will be on Saturdays for sure. So I'll try to utilize the time after the games to make some time to make some content. But for sure Sunday will be like my only day off to actually record anything and make progress on the EG. Also, big announcement, very huge for me. I just want to give a shout out to Hacks Wiring. Hacks Wiring is jumping on board with the EG K24 build, sponsoring us and supplying us with our wiring needs. He's got wiring harnesses, charge harnesses, wiring harnesses for like your fan, whether you're running a single or dual fan relay on there. I've seen he's got headlight harnesses. He's got ground wires. Did I say charge harness? I might have said charge harnesses already. But if you haven't, man, do me a favor. Go check out Hacks Wiring on Instagram. Check him out. See what he's got to offer for you. Let him know Carl sent you, and I'm sure my guy's going to take care of you. He is located West Coast. So if you're in a West Coast area, California to be exact, you should be expecting your your harness done and sent out very quickly. So huge shout out again one more time to Hacks Wiring. Thank you guys. Our last video on the Jack Spania fuel rail got about 650 views. That's like right now that's like one of my top videos with the most views since we've got back onto the channel, and it's been like 3 videos already. So it seems like you guys might have liked that video a lot. My plan right now, as we progress and we grow on the channel, I want to do a 1,000 sub giveaway. Whether it can be, I'll give you guys 2 options, whether it be a throttle body for B, D, H, and K, because you can run a B series throttle on a K intake manifold. So that's why I was thinking about throttle body. That way it's universal for all of you guys, beneficial to most of you guys. I don't know if everybody who just recently subscribed is for K series, or whether it be just in Hondas in general. And with the the throttle bodies with B series throttle bodies, you can use it for B, D, or K. So maybe we can do a throttle body, or we can do a Jack Spania fuel system, since everybody seemed to find that video interesting, and I got more likes on that video. So keep that in mind. Let me know down in the comments what you guys like, what you guys either like the throttle body or the fuel system from Jack Spania, and we can make it happen. Shoot, help me help you. Let's get to 1,000 subs, and we'll be able to make that giveaway happen. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing started. I don't know about you guys, but usually when I get a package, I'm always very impatient. So I've already opened this and checked this part out. But here we go. We got our Ktuned throttle body, 72 millimeters. Very nice, very nice. I actually picked this up on Marketplace. Dude had it for quite a few years. It's dang near brand new. Saved me a bunch too. Also, I believe these go for like $389 or $399 new on the website, and I believe these are back ordered right now. So as soon as I seen this, you know me, I had to go pick it up because it's a deal that I couldn't pass up. Luckily, this guy was located in Stockton, so huge shout out to that guy. All right, next we have our Acura TPS sensor that we got this during Black Friday. Comes with your hardware as well. So let's go ahead and get this thing on there first. We'll use this kit here. What does it come with? It comes with a little Acura decal. It came in a few actually. But that one just is in the box with the TPS sensor. So we'll go ahead and get this on the TPS sensor side. Slide this thing on like so. And then once we get the car running, then we'll go ahead and calibrate this. For now, we'll just put it on. So that way we can make some more progress on the hatch. I still gotta get a map sensor as well. We'll be getting that very shortly. There we go. This is actually a pretty cool toolkit. My boy, one of my homies had actually just actually bought me this for my birthday. I want to say 2 years ago. Huge shout out to him. This kit is not cheap, man. It's a very expensive kit, and this thing is used. You can use this for a lot of work that you plan on doing. So this kit comes in clutch actually. We'll just tie it up, not too tight because we still gotta adjust this later on. All right, there we go. Put this back. I don't want to lose these. These pieces are very small. So there we go. We got the TPS on, map sensor. I mean not map sensor, TPS on the throttle body. I'm still debating if I'm gonna run auto air control. I'm not too sure, but it came with the block off screws for them. But for now, you know what? I'm just gonna put them on so we don't lose them. How about that? We'll just put them on so we don't lose them, and later on we can go ahead and put Teflon on there, and, so that way it don't leak. All right. Should have an Allen wrench here that'll fit. There we go. And we'll just go ahead and hand tie them on for now. There we go. And now the throttle body is ready to put on. So let's go ahead and get this thing mounted onto the car. Alright, so we got our throttle body with the gasket and our hardware. Set this here like so. We'll get one screw in to start it off. Alright, put the bottom one on next. Just like that, our throttle body is now on. Sick. Here we go. Here's a little close up with the throttle body on. Now let's go ahead and get this throttle cable installed. So here we go. We got the throttle cable on. I currently have it routed this way. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to route it. I'm also thinking about trying to get this routed a different way because I kind of feel like it looks too much going on right here. So I want to try to figure out how I can eliminate it and not have so much AN lines everywhere. But now with the throttle body installed and the throttle cable, let's go ahead and get these injector harness plugs switched out so that way we can have the right plugs for the injectors. Alright, so on the jack spring and fuel rail, you can actually run your injector wiring in the fuel rail. You just got these two screws right here, take it off, and then you can just run your wires along there. Gives it a nice, pretty clean look, as you can see. I went ahead and got everything in there, tucked it. They got little slots of where the injectors can go in, and then the wiring here. But here we go, we got everything installed.